Biden's administration is trying to cover up a lot of stuff. Don't look good. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Wednesday, the 16th of February. And, well, we had an update yesterday and not much action today. We're getting slaughtered. Slaughtered. That real rough word. We're down pretty good today. But it looks like the markets, although we're long predominantly, it looks like the markets want to go lower. Again, I think that this administration is covering up everything and trying to create like a diversion. When they talk about the invasion in Ukraine, which is not going to happen. The solution is so simple that even a fifth grader could solve it. Okay, maybe a second grader. But of course, our president doesn't have the IQ of a second grader, so that would be a problem. But I think overall, you've got a massive inflation. Okay, so if you're going to continue to ignore the inflation, and the Federal Reserve isn't doing anything, they don't know which direction they're headed in. Okay. They don't know if they're coming or going and never did. Okay. So that's a problem. Okay. So as we look at the markets, you've got the Dow down 200. We're long. You got the the S&P, the NASDAQ down 200. We're long. You've got the S&P down 33. We're long. And you've got the Russell down 141. We're short. Okay. Gold and silver have seemed to found a buyer again. Once again, and not a surprise. The action has been actually extremely bullish. Although many of you get, crazy when I write that the rally was on fear, which it was, okay. But again, the settlement and where we are now proves that the market has broken out, which is why we are long gold, silver, and would be long platinum if we traded it, okay. But you now are seeing the result, and the little bit of a sell-off yesterday, which was as predictable as anything, is now reaping fruits if you would have bought the support level as recommended. Okay. The oil market is exploding once again. And of course, we get EIA pretty much right after you get this update. Now, the EIA will be out by the time you get this, but the number, I haven't seen it yet, but oil is exploding. Again, why? Well, Saudi Arabia is going to stick it up our ass without question between Russia and China. You think they're going to actually do this guy a favor, this administration a favor? Please, come on. It's going higher. We're going over 100, maybe this week. Okay. And in the meantime, the dollar is lower and we're short. Okay. The Bitcoin down a little bit. We're short. Apologize. We're long. Copper is flat and we're long. Nat gas is a little bit higher again today. So we're getting a little bit of move on nat gas. Again, this is part of the stupid ass energy policy that we go by. Okay, this is not natural, but this is the ignorance of the energy policy that we have in place, and you'll have to deal with it. That's what can I tell you. The grain markets, after a couple of rough days, are now running a little bit again today. Corn is up about 4. We're long. Beans are up 21. We're long, and wheat's down a little bit, and we're short. Okay, in the protein complex, feeder cattle flat. Live cattle flat, hogs up $1.35. Now again, this is what we're looking at with in the hog market. That's protein, right? The other white meat that could continue to see some action as if inflation continues to grow at the speed it's growing at. People will switch to eating pork versus eating beef. Okay. In the meantime, in the softs, cotton is lower. We're long. Coffee's flat. We're long. Sugar's higher. We're short. Cocoa's higher, we're long. OJ is flat, and we're short. And look, again, this is more about what the ignorance of this administration, and the refusal to look at the real facts at hand, because to them, it's more important to get their agenda in place and screw the American people than it is to do the right thing. In the meantime, don't forget our sponsors, Capital Trading Group, Tradier, Strategic Wealth. They're scrolling along the bottom. In the meantime, have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here again tomorrow from Las Vegas with another Bubba's Daily Update. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you later.